How to change video resolution in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Click on the import or plus icon to add your video clip. Browse and select the video file you want to work with, then double-click it to import. Drag the imported video clip down to your timeline at the bottom of the screen. With your clip in the timeline, locate the aspect ratio or resolution icon in the toolbar. This might show up as 16:9, 4:3, or similar depending on your clip's original aspect ratio. Click on this icon to open the resolution and aspect ratio options. In the Options menu, find the Custom setting. Here, you can manually enter the desired resolution. For example, for 4K resolution, you would enter 3840 for the width and 2160 for the height. Click Save to apply these changes. After setting the resolution, you'll notice it says Custom next to the aspect ratio, indicating that the resolution is now set according to your custom dimensions. You can verify this by playing the video in the preview window to ensure it's in the correct resolution. When you're ready to export, click on the Export button. In the export settings, make sure to match the resolution to the one you set earlier. For instance, if you set your project to 4K, make sure the export resolution is also set to 4K. Adjust any other export settings like bitrate or frame rate as needed, then hit Export. Wait for the export to complete. Your video will now be saved in the specified resolution. You can now share or upload your video in the high resolution you've set.